me ask you this. You read for the people, think that you're seeking the seeker, seeking, you're seeing the seeker, think that you're drinking the God. But when you pray to the people, while they pray to your God, while they pray on the people, they look for your children. They be seeking the evil. Difference, the devil is hurt, they calling me evil, but I still see the way walking. I keep them knocking, but they just keep on talking, cause the Lord Almighty, He kept on knocking up on my door. The difference is I am shaking and I'm not really sure. But I keep barking and walking, but I keep praying and saying, but they keep talking about demons, but the demons I'm saying, they keep on cultivating. They always wonder why I'm just talking to stuttering. Difference is I'm thinking that stuttering different. It is I'm stuttering, now the shit I'm stuttering. Wow. And I keep it like a cursing. The difference is I have you people moving like you're cursing, but you're cursing. But the difference is y'all ain't got no soul, but you keep on the moving evil like y'all ain't got no soul. The difference is that you're people. The difference is that you're evil. Keep on sipping that liquor, but that liquor will keep on. People living your sayings, they people pulling your veins, but they can pull in the same, but I ain't pulling the same. Got the poison in my veins, I keep in the pedal, keep in the center. The difference is I'm a never the center, put in my mental, I keep in the fender, keep in the kenning. I'm popping pendles, I keep in the net. Spinning just like lead like a pencil. Difference is nigga, I got a lead like a pencil. I'ma keep hitting the shit, they keep in the mental. Keep on the smoking, but I'ma think to my mental. Put through the pressure, I keep in the measure. The difference is I'm still on that treasure. I'm keeping that up, I'm keeping the stuff. But y'all can nut, but y'all are just stuck. You cannot be talking, leaving a bit like a sea. The difference is I'm a talking, but I will talk for the people. And I will talk for those who will be sipping for keeper. Those who were sipping for stopper, and those who are sipping for evil. Losing your mind and your soul to this evil. You think that you hot, but you not. It's medieval. It's all in the past when you think that you steeple. You think you messed up, but that don't make it up. Don't make it a sequel. And half the people out here really thinking like it's sequel, but they ain't just walking and they talking like they think that they are God. Well, the truth of the matter is they deceitful. They promise you everything, power and fame. They promise you everything, God in your name. They promise you everything, you keep it saying. You think it's saying the difference is just say His name, God. Woo!
Wanna say green or red light?
Green light!
Green or red light?
Green light! Give it!
So, where do you see yourself going as it relates to the arts?
The top.
Yo! Listen to that, no man.
Unabashedly, the top.